Welcome to Question Bank. Today's question is: a three-phase transformer bank consists of three identical 2300 by 230 volt 15 kVA single phase transformer connected in delta by delta. The bank supplies a 20 kVA unit power factor three-phase load. If one of the single phase transformer develops a fault and is removed, the load carried by each of the two transformers now operating in open delta will be dash kVA. This is the question, and this is from open delta or VV connection of transformer. So this is here the load is when one of the transformers, suppose this one is the transformer connected in delta, this is the primary of the transformers, three transformers, and suppose this one is the secondaries of the three transformers. Question is asking that one of the transformer is faulted. Suppose this one is taken out, this transformer is taken out. So now this is VV connection or open delta connection. So what will happen? This output will still provide three-phase supply, but in reduced efficiency. So now the question is giving that the system is providing to 20 kVA unit power factor three-phase load. So here each transformer has power rating of 15 kVA. So total three-phase, when it was not faulted, the total three-phase power rating will be 15 kVA into 3. This will be 45 kVA. When faulted and it converted to the open delta, the efficiency will be 57.7%. How this is I am writing, please refer to any book where the open delta will be discussed. This will, because we are using three transformers to provide three-phase supply. Now we are using only two transformers, so the efficiency will be decreased to 57.7%. Now what will be the new kVA rating? New kVA rating will be 0.577 into 45. This will be around 25.982 kVA. This is the new rating of the transformer bank. This 57.7 is also known as 1 by root 3 of previous one. So now this is the new rating, but here in the question given that it is providing only 20 kVA, which is less than that, even that new rating. So nothing will happen, only it will also provide 20 kVA to the new transformer, new connection, and it also go on in the future because it is providing less than that 25 kVA. So here it is, the answer will be 20 kVA by 2, because it is asking the load carried by each of the two transformer. Now what is the load carried by each of the two transformer? So total load will be similarly 20 kVA, and load carried out by each transformer will be 10 kVA. So here answer will be 10 kVA, no doubt. But the question comes here, what is difficulty in this question? There is no difficulty in this question, but if the load is given, if the load 20 instead of 20 kVA, if this is suppose given 30 kVA, then when the system is converted to open delta or VV connection, then it will provide 30 kVA but in overloaded condition, and it will not work for a long time because the efficiency has been decreased and the rating has been decreased from 45 kVA to 25.98 kVA. So here the given load is less than that decreased efficiency, and And another thing, if the question is not given UPF, unity power factor is not given, and suppose the load has the power factor angle of phi, then what will be the power factors of the two transformers? Then this will be, I am writing direct the formulas. This will be power factor, suppose transformer 1, the power factor will be cos 30 plus phi, and another is cos 30 minus phi. This is the power factors of the two transformers if the load is not unity power factor or the pure resistive. And in case of VV connection, one is efficiency. What we have to remember, first thing is efficiency decreased by the factor 1 by root 3, that is the new efficiency is 57.7%. one thing remember, first thing. Second thing is power factor is this much, power factor is, second thing is power factor is this much by the two transformers. And the third thing is in case of VV connection, even the load is pure resistive or UPF, there is a exchange of reactive power in between the transformers, in between two transformers. So the power, the active power is less than the apparent power. Active power is less than that of apparent power. Always, even the load is the UPF. This one is the third thing to remember. And when this is used, if one transformer is faulted and taken out for the repairing, and if the condition is the load should be less than the reduced capacity. What is reduced capacity? Reduced capacity is the 57.7% of the full capacity. Then if the load connected is reduced capacity, less than reduced capacity, then only we can use that open delta method. And this is generally not a general condition. Generally 3 transformers are used for 3-phase load supplying, because efficiency reduced to this much. So why this will be used for general purpose? So this is the end of this question. Thank you for watching up to here.